Is up mga kamanok, this is Pong once again of Butnes Bugana Farm. So we're gonna have a little quick update from our breeders. So dito ako ngayon sa likod. Katatapos ka lang magpalit ng tubig nila. So now may mga hens tayo na nag-start na mag-lay. So we're gonna pick some eggs. So yung dito natanggal na natin. So let's see kung ilan na yung nag-lay. Wala pala ito rito. So isa dito, dalawa. Alright. Let's see. So we'll see on this side. Mayroon tayong isa dito na ano. Hello there. Say hi to the world, bebe. Hello. Si Sabat Sulay. We'll see dito. Dito na side wala pa. Isa dito sa dulo. Right. Oops. Yan. So just now we collected 2. Pero earlier meron na tayong few eggs. So actually they started to lay some of them last like a week ago. Nag-start na sila after bago kami magbakuna. So meron na tayong na-collect na ano ba to? So this one 4. So meron na tayong 4 na na-collect. And really soon we're gonna be starting to start our production. So hopefully bago mag October makapag-start na kami mag set ng fertile eggs. So that's it lang muna dito sa Butnes Bugana Farm, and we're hoping to serve you soon. Thank you so much guys. Happy farming. Bye.